Welcome to this nature journey. Today, we invite you to fly deep into the wonders of nature, where you can explore the jungle, the waterfall, and the trees.
To fully immerse yourself in this experience, please put on your headphones or use a suitable audio system in front of your display, preferably the largest and highest quality screen you have.
For a moment, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine yourself as a free soul who wants to travel to any part of nature without any fear. Light, calm, and free from any mental attachment, this 10-minute moment is yours to enjoy, so let's try not to miss a moment of it. Now, open your eyes and let yourself become lost in the scenery. Any thoughts that may come to you, let them pass and instead focus on the visual and audio elements of these environments.
Are you ready? Let's begin this journey.
Allow your breath to be your guide. As you breathe in, be mindful of the life-giving oxygen that enters your body. As you breathe out, let go of any worries or concerns that are occupying your mind.
This is your breathe guide. The breath is always with you, a constant companion in every moment of your life. Whenever you feel distracted or overwhelmed, take a moment to focus on your breath. Allow it to calm your mind and bring you back to the present moment.
So take a deep breath now, and let it remind you of the power and beauty of this simple act. With each inhale and exhale, you are grounding yourself in the present, allowing yourself to fully experience the wonder and joy of being in the nature.
Stay witness and be free. Watch your emotions and do not involve.
Take a step back and observe your emotions without getting caught up in them. Allow yourself to be present and aware of what you are feeling, but don't let those emotions control you.
Watching a nature-filled and relaxing video can do wonders for your mind and body. The calming visuals and gentle guidance can help reduce stress, improve your mood, and bring a sense of inner peace and calm.
By taking just a few minutes out of your day to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature, you're treating yourself to some much-needed self-care. And with regular practice, you can reap the benefits of a more relaxed and mindful lifestyle.
So whether you need a break from work or just want to unwind before bed, consider incorporating a relaxing video into your routine. It's a simple yet powerful tool for promoting relaxation and enhancing your overall well-being.
Thanks for watching this nature-filled and relaxing video on how to. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.
Have a great life.